What is that?
A Spitfire.
Is that a Spitfire?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, let's go. Go there to the aviation hall. There are lots of planes in there. The MOTAT Aviation Hall.
We had a chance to visit MOTAT last year, and as you can see, we're still wearing our masks. Look at that.
Whoa! It's an Avro Lancaster Mark 7. Whoa! That's cool. God, look at the propellers. What? Curtis P-40E Kitty Hawk.
MOTAT Auckland is New Zealand's Museum of Transport and Technology. It's a family-friendly museum with interesting technological and aviation displays throughout NZ's history.
Whoa! What? That's the big one. There's a big one right there. Whoa! What? See the pistons moving as it turns?
Yeah.
Gab, it's better if you look at it in real life. Well, it's called the Everson gyrocopter. You. Wow. What? Ow, ow. I hit my head. Ow. You sit there. Yeah. I'll be your passenger. Whoa. Look at the controls. You can move the controls. Gab, why are you covering your ears?
Because I would like to
Just a bit, oh, see? MOTAT. Building number 1 of MOTAT. We're going through here. Gab, here. Here. Whoa. These are very old computers. Gab, look, come here. It's a very old typewriter, a computer. And a very old telephone, you know. You use this one. You fire with this, and then you move with this. I'll play on this one.
This is
just one
you.
player. That's one. Yeah, there's gonna be 2, and then the third one will be 3. Whoa, cool. Whoa, there's a racing car, yeah! This looks cool. here.
Also, MOTAT's hands-on exhibits foster learning, while us kids think we are just having fun.
Answer mama, answer the phone.
Mama? Yeah? I needed a delivery.
What delivery?
Like a sofa delivery.
Sofa? Okay.
Yellow, yellow, red, sand. Yay!
What's this?
There's a telegraph. Switchboard operator. Whoa, that's a ancient fire engine. Let's make the basic structure first. I'll break some of these. Okay.
So what's the name of your machine?
Automaton? It's an automaton?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's
What's an
cool.
automaton?
It's a machine that can move on its own. Arms to the side. Mama is making it explode a lot. Whoa, and then the screw makes the water go up and it falls into here.
Gabriel is faster than you, boy.
They're doing it, guys. They're doing it.
We did it! There. We'll put the blocks on top of it. I'll give you some blocks here. I'll hand the blocks to you. You arrange it.
See this because it's. You know how this is?
Wow, how?
Because the block is like magic, but it's not magic. Because these squeeze in like the thing that we stack on dogs.
Oh, go. Let's see if it can carry you.
Can it carry me?
Let's see if Mamoy is less than 80 kilos. Whoa, and Gabriel was so scared.
Definitely,
Say,
you would.
Mamoy, phew.
Definitely,
try
you would.
No.
You
It will break if I try it. Whoa.
Located right next to Western Springs Park and Auckland Zoo, MOTAT is a really fun day out, even if you're an adult.
Yeah. So we're done with our MOTAT adventure for today.